Trust the Akudi Musem, Bremodin, Adi, Yatunidin, Central Sports Arena, and Yedi, Bremo, and so Ewahanum. If you near Manane Akabuma, Yedi, Bremo, and so Ewahanum, and there, Tamuchuku, Uma, Facebook, Abra, live on Facebook, Uba, Kosek Bossing, Costa TV, Cape Coast, na wala kishe, Nija comment to Fatu, na. Yaba kind of come and so at the amount that be so akui at the amount now and we for Champions League qualifies and so echo so Jose Mourinho and on the Benfica game no 0-0 go no bobia and to me ato obia and net sound so ana nyame aduma next week ana a second leg no ever to us we over qualify no automatically we qualify to the group phase of the Champions League and tisa ana etie Jose Mourinho and pay why signing a loan deal ana why ana ekwa pimo Fenerbahce dem nsem e di eba ebereche eze from Crystal Palace to Arsenal a down deal abrantia no ne obo Conference League qualify game e da Crystal Palace the last game na wakwa pimo e wo Arsenal so ye na wakwa ye medicals and so e da team 5-year deal the whole man abrantia no and so e ko signing and so e ye dem nsem pi e di eba any other issues ana ya boabo no ayedi ebramo enso ewo kasafili ozewia na ya ba fie fisam no enra gaka top for nation ama enra kotoko ejintwa edima eye bibia no Gold Stars na hanwe anso die kotoko fo so monka na hwe wahwe nyame ma bobo we di ashobu yo yati sanso ana numre no hatu folk e Lions e kana ba ko a ono so ntimi anti table no ye de eba na nyame admo chena games no to so ekopim kwesi da wan ana edge ye don se pi edi eba coaches no so akasa so ana Endra Access Bank Division 1 League fixtures no abu abontin zone 2 ya ye diem abusuan twice Omina Sharks UCC Youngsters omode aba Endra mo wana me hwehwe manam se who compare omumiensa obi a first 5 matches we Omina Sharks ewo upper hand debo team no umaye niye ana de tia ne tie ye de wonsem e di eba enso me dia de current afan Douglas wa ha nti bibia ba fine e wa ha no tanso ana ene omumu duty eye edin bibia boko
oh ya bia boko
bia fine
oh bia fine
fie boko
fo
jombedu
oh fo jombedu oh so me forward we ni mano o hwe no se kwa na ebonizi no ne nwaje papa fo jombedu o se ne nwaje papa
said on one say yan fo ni fo jombedu
na Franco so otia o
beje no
o se otia o pa ro o se on ton nka
o betimanka why
Franco so otia
o nya botre
na
Obakwe bia no cha na yesu sisi
wofa sisi ochia
wofa ben
wofa teacher
mini wofa
wofa na wan
wofa bia ntanga
ref
anam se mini wofa bia wan o che me kan kuraje mini wofa bia
wofa because Andrew o shia no be say calling shall be say
no show on frame on frame mini wofa mo 40 awotoche
the Lucas because
mesimo wofa oti awotoche wofa obafie ebi bisade ni si mfie sitie ofa fonfre no wofa ase se mto nka che ono no wofa yo wofa ene wo uncle wofa fo mu o mo dwini mpam
na uncle fi wo mo dwini mpam
o se ye machewo wofa na uncle for no frɛ di nkomo bisa wa pom ana wofa for no mo
na wofa na uncle
me na me differentiate ade mo me na machem
no kemati antisekine so chi o Andrew so ohunu oten samo kan ya no so chi o na wasi bia ba yefan
the palm
oh palm bata na pe be na
anya za no pe by this time media aye ready
ntano sisi as new commerce no ma ba adado he omoko omapon ntin new commerce na ba omapon
okay mati why why Mr. J and ejina camera na chi na do boy young vision studio cover no
You want to better?
Oh, and
Forgot
the country. But I had one is a woman for some. No for cry. You were the never and I know homes to my what double. And one double. One cook was had the news number twice. I'm sure you. I'm sure I was when I'm not and you. Alaji. You are fine. Any Thursday, what I say.
What in some of what of Eka? Almost said after game, no. Almost say Malan ever park one. Every year, did you?
Eddie, my wine,
Eddie Tia, Henry answer. Now,
I show you.
What's that?
I'm a club.
Martin. Okay. And young common and
you're common. It's
oh, Ben is the central region hand no side. Obia no break my pa.
I know about a channel.
Oh, maybe the chan corner of Belgium quad and
your doctor, Louis down.
No, Louis down. I break my pa, Montation, or break my dog. Any ticket, wouldn't ticket.
Ticket, why, triple K.
Triple K was it? What's that?
I'll say, wash expenses and triple K. Now, Hamzata,
yeah. Accra Lions.
Yes, oh, Shishun.
Okay. No.
Local parliament,
okay.
You're born parliament, you're born.
Okay, okay.
You see, Minister of Health.
Hey, I put me this way.
Yeah, you both.
Okay, but
tea, we're now tea, you're caution.
Okay.
Get your grandpapa.
Oh, grandpapa. Say stone. Oh, now they are grandpapa, they must be a good breeder. Really something for them more than almost off to pay.
You're not graduate to be no pumpo or bois.
They say they are paying about 5 immense one.
Yes, one. In common CP.
Because maybe I'm forward.
Let's breaking up. Yeah, okay, for chef. You're common on it near that one and 7 about Venice young quay now, young Shassiana, and champions league and all. Qualified games, and so a basso now, Fato Sumaman and UK, and war and Basel. And so any copy game no 1-1 afi so Tiba and it Bodo Glimt edges Tom Grant everybody come to me anti be Celtic any Keita and so ebo 0-0 na sa game we and go for boys both say bo way say Celtic of us say no ma now for the Bachi and so na Benfica game no and so 0-0 and referee Europa League no conference qualifies no Maccabi Tel Aviv and Dynamo Kiev ebo afi so Tiba ne di edit Slovan Bratislava teams yi de team ebi di hu na one young boys ana ebo ana afi Tiba ne di edit Lech Poznan ene Genk ba Aberdeen ene FCSB ebo ana Rijeka ene PAOK Thessaloniki ebo enso eho na yen hwase Celtic enwa omo manager Brendan Rogers and after the game and as truly bizarre say and so supporters no chant say yen sake manager no yen sake no ono so o mo sake na ono de board de team board no o mo dimi sake coach and e be sake o yiti sema Brendan Rogers after the game or the two bia
concentrate on the team that we have currently. I can't get too distracted by what I don't have.
You can understand what the fans are
yeah, absolutely. I also understand when they sack the board. I don't know any board that gets sacked. It's normally the manager. In any club where I ever see it's the manager that gets the sack. It's not the board. So, but listen, we have to go away and analyse tonight and see where we could be better. And then, like I said, the guys that are out there, especially the top end of the pitch, they're giving their all, they're giving everything. But like we've said many times, in order to progress at this level and into European football, then we need to have more. It's as simple as that. So, but we won't have that for Tuesday. We get concentration now for Saturday. It's a big game here against Livingston. We'll obviously make changes to freshen up the team, and then obviously a mammoth journey starting Sunday, and hopefully it can end with the champion.
Ono so eka kakra edetu so yiti sema makrego edetu bia.
We never had enough intensity in the game. We're too slow, too passive with and without the ball, and that gives them, a bit of encouragement in the game. It makes the place anxious, and then it sort of snowballs from there. But second half, we start the half really well. We're on the front foot for the whole second half. We just lacked that bit of quality to get the goal to open the game up. But listen, we've still got another game, so it's 0-0 in the tie. We never lost, so we have to go there next week and win, and that's no problem.
Can you put your finger on
And some branch friend of Macrigo and so the two dra Celtic omofoda branch and so to Ganama me Celtic coach and a branch back when I wouldn't Celtic and so second about travel over 3,500 miles. I know Modibo Kakushia, a Tima, Nadine, and no second leg for a coach to swim in come and so our Antiweno or ever travel from Celtic. And so upco baby moko 3,500 miles e kwano wapa e ho anomoko and so akwa to aso and so therefore na Crystal Palace manager no Oliver Glasner wa confirm the am say ene conference league mo boron ebereche ezi egbewia oko nemo omuka team no enso ahoroma ye de ho asem no e de emamo na Romelu Lukaku fa na ma me Ibanez fa na to soma na me nkomo Lukaku akwa kopra obo edman Napoli na branche ni pra no de elder to say abranche no enkoye sadwumom na mbom no obetena fie beye bosome miensa edeko enan entam ana branche no enso be print amaba so eye Napoli fo no eni abre pa omunso eni omani chirem enso Manchester no mago for Russell Hudland enso edi na ba bisi wa ye de wansem no edi emamama Porto na Porto fo abowura Arsenal so omope abranche fo no Jacob Kivo ono ana aye Porto fo no enso eni Arsenal fo no egusu a edi enkomo fa abranche no to soma me na enkomo twetwe no omo se eye long deal na omo gino na obligation na enso eye obligation to buy no aye 25 million euros eno ne sem kakra enu so free about if mama Jacob Kivo fa na to soma me na me ni no komo enso abranche a portfolio ni bre no ano ene that TV no so e dey wan sem no enso e dey emamo enso me ko eye Nottingham Forest aso eye enra me beka wa say Douglas Luiz from Juventus to Nottingham Forest deal no aye done and then abranche no ekwen Americas na okwen Americas ene no ene abranche na no pay a we kodru eye England fa eye Douglas Luiz for the mama na me ni no komo kakra enso ewo TV no so enso oroma ye de wan asem no eje emamo Douglas Luiz akwakodru okwakobo enso e de amatima ni din ade Nottingham Forest afuwe enfifu no ba yire eni mo so ba de pa enso oroma ye de wan asem no enso e de atudame kebe enso e de achamo na fela AC Milan ene Bayer Leverkusen for o ma adiri bibia Victor Boniface enso ekwakobo eye loan deal ana akobo enso ediama AC Milan na eye buy option no enso aye 30 million euros eno ne iska enso nemo no enye mandatory say omo ento by force enso nsem kakra efiri oba me coach Chelsea aso eye from mame eye Renato Viaga fanato mame na mini no komo Renato Viaga ana aba betodwa enra ana Chelsea for ne Villarreal for na agree bibia ema omoji 29.5 million euros eno ne package plus add-ons echichechiche mnemo no omo de heavy sell-on clause e dey asem be 40% sell-on clause ana Chelsea for ne asem e dey ama brand here no and then a brand here ne kwakoye na medicals enso e dey ama team na ye dey Real Madrid e Villarreal ye dey e wansem no enso e dey tudwa make be enso e dey achamo mame Julio eye ensiso for me Brighton and Hove Albion a branch here on Bobo Papa onye now only say Chelsea toboli mu omo ekoto team a efre no Strasbourg e wo France na deal omo ye no omo si akoda no ekọ Strasbourg okobo 1 year e mo obo wi a oba Chelsea etinyame agba next year abrante we ba Chelsea ayemo foda na omo to no 20 million euros package a omo de ma Brighton for no enta abrante no ekobo 2025 2026 season ni dia ma Strasbourg owi a ordinary chiremo o Chelsea no wa be sign until 2031 plus another option for 2032 etiano ni ensam gakra afiri o enso eba mama ebereche eze na meni nkomo eno numle na meni nam chinchem video no na mu say Arsenal for hijack deal no from Tottenham omude 68 million a year pounds e dey akwa no e dey ne ba omu frɛ na ano gitum say Arsenal dey obebo iti abrante na jatum a oba enso ababebo e dey omomo enso enti ene obo ne last game erma Crystal Palace bia ordinary hrem ewo Arsenal omu training ground so akwa ne medicals no was signing 5-year deal enti nyinyina echina ana Saudi deal no enso bekoso na Arsenal for no eno omu start so omu di nkomo no kohwe Arsenal for omo eye Emirates Stadium honom yanko ehonom banesifa eho picture no to suma me omu de abrante no ne omu de ne picture bi akobo enie on say omu nto no wie no omu de akobo dadaada ebi anadwo ana omu se supporters no ekoye ne sa enti boi no eba no Arsenal team no mu be de pa mi kana teta wanyelo gina oni